carbon monoxide Lewis-Dot structure, right? Okay. If you are a student of chemistry and if you don't know how to draw the carbon monoxide Lewis-Dot structure, then this is the right video you should watch. Okay, this is the formula for carbon monoxide. You know that carbon has 4 valence electron and oxygen has 6 valence electron. If you are not sure about the valence electron of carbon and oxygen, you can read the blog post from the description box of this video, right? You will get the clear idea. However, so totally in carbon dioxide molecule we have 10 valence electron. So in carbon dioxide Lewis structure there are totally 10 valence electron, and these 10 valence electron will be used to link these two atoms and to satisfy the octet for both atoms. So these 10 valence electron have two tasks. One is to link these two atoms and another task is to satisfy the octet for both atoms. So let us do the first task. So this is carbon, this is oxygen. So from this valence electron we'll use just 2 valence electron to connect this atom, right? So among 10 we have used here 2, so let us deduct 2. So we have 8 valence electron left, and this 8 valence electron will satisfy the octet of outer atom first. Here central atom is carbon and the outer atom is oxygen. Carbon is a center atom because it is least electronegative than oxygen. So we'll use this 8 valence electron to satisfy the octet of outer atom. So these two electron is shared equally by these both atoms. So this oxygen have 2 valence electron now, this carbon has 2. So to fulfill the octet, this oxygen need more 6 valence electron, right? More 6 valence electron. So this is the more 6 valence electron, and now oxygen has 8 valence electron. 2, 4, 6. So out of 8 we have used 6, so we have 2 left, and let us write this left 2 valence electron over carbon here, right? Now carbon has 4 valence electron and oxygen has 8. Our task is to fulfill the octet of this carbon. So look, for this what will happen, this single bond means 2 valence electron. So I can take these 2 valence electron to here, right? So let us take that. Okay, 2. Then now carbon has 2, 4, 6. Okay, so we need more 2 valence electrons. So I will use this 2 electron to make more bond here. So look, right? So now carbon has 2, 4, 6, 8 and oxygen has 2, 4, 6, 8. Actually I will 2, 4, 6, 8. Actually you should write like this: 2, 4, 6, 8, then oxygen, then 2. Okay, one single bond means 2 valence electron, so we can write here 3 single bond, right? So you can say that this is the Lewis structure of carbon monoxide, and if you know more about the Lewis structure than formal charge, you should read that blog post. So thank you for viewing this video. Be well.